ukulele. She was so upset. I said, what is it, honey? She said, Claudine, you ain't gonna believe it. She said, I took Daddy to the doctor the other day for his checkup. She said, and everything was pretty good. She said, the next day I was going to town. She said, lo and behold, there was Daddy walking down the sidewalk of town, arm in arm with this pretty beautiful young woman. She said, I nearly wrecked the car. I didn't know what in the world to do. She said, I went up there to his house that night and I said, Daddy, what in the world did you mean? He said, what you talking about, ukulele? She said, Daddy, I saw you today in town walking down the sidewalk with that beautiful young woman. What in the world do you mean? What were you doing? She said, you would just break Mama's heart. He said, ukulele, don't be upset. I was just doing what the doctor ordered. She said, Daddy, what are you talking about? He said, ukulele, didn't you hear the doctor? He said for me to get a hot mama and be cheerful. She said, Daddy, the doctor said you got a hot mama. Be careful. Oh, goodness gracious. They are pretty.